field, ready for the first day of wheat harvest. Gonna let things dry out and see where the moisture's at. It's July 18 and should be ready to go. So time to hook the head up the rest of the way and get out in the field. And we are running wheat, getting Dad going around the field to get everything opened up. Got sunny skies and ready to get started. July 18, finally getting in the field to get it off. First day of wheat harvest, first field. So nice and dusty, that's what we like to see. Getting things going. Unloading on the go, got the Kilgrove's grain cart behind the 7810 and we are unloading. Wheat seems to be dry. Things are going pretty smooth so far, so I'm just in the grain cart and getting the acres off. Let's go. morning, guys. Got the first load on the truck, fired up, getting aired up and ready to go down to King. So time to get on the road and get unloaded so we can keep on with wheat harvest. Let's go. Here we are down to King. Definitely we're not the first ones in line, but got a little bit of a wait. We'll see how this load tests, and it's time to get unloaded so we can get back and continue on with wheat harvest. So thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.